Hello everybody, hello. As you know, or that we're starting to sell vinyl now. They come 12 by 5 feet, 12 inches by 5 feet. So they're perfect for your mat. This is HTV. Easy to weed. So look, fits right on the mat, perfect. I'm gonna cut it. I'm a little longer than the mat, and I don't need. Took my razor, cut it, bam. So now I got 2 feet on here. I got 3 more feet left. Now I'm gonna turn this a little bit towards the cutter. Feeding it in there. Then I'm gonna press start. All right. So that's done. Yeah. Okay, I just got a name that I went across and cut. So I'm gonna cut this vinyl so I can save it for later use. So I cut it so I can save my other part for later use. So now I gotta weed it. And let Judi weed it. There you go.
Okay, to weed this, what we do is, I normally start with a letter is that, and then I just start pulling. And I just be careful that I won't mess up the actual vinyl that's gonna be pressed onto it. So it's very easy to weed. Trying to show you guys to make sure you can see the actual weeding process. And then we're gonna also press it on a back of a shirt. It's actually someone's name, a shirt that we have to get done. I said, why not show them how our vinyl do? We're gonna be, this is listed under our crafting surprise on our website. So nice and weeded. Very, very easy to weed. Leah, are you smiling on camera? Genesis, say hi to the camera. Say hi. Okay, we're gonna take it up to the heat press.
Hello.
So we can press it. Okay, so we're about to press this on our black back polyester shirt. Someone wanted us to sublimate the front, but the back, they wanted their name on the back. So we can't sublimate on black, so we have to do it like this. You have to use vinyl. Sometimes you just gotta use vinyl. So I found the center point, which what I do is normally just fold it in half, and I don't try to
crease.
I don't try to crease the whole thing. I just crease enough so I can see. So I let the names touch each other, find the center point. Then I crease only the top. Find the center of the shirt, which is about right here. Eyeball the straightness of it. And look at it this way. We at temp right now, 320, 20 seconds. Okay, so now we're gonna remove the carrier sheet. It's hot, 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 hot. So let's remove the carrier sheet. And what I normally do is go over it one more time. I'm gonna go over it one more time. I need a Teflon sheet so I won't damage the. Put that down. Let it hit it one more time to make sure it's secure. So this is the vinyl is done, it's on there. So, want to say I'm Blige Brothers. And here's the back. So, send this on to him. But thank you so much for watching. Follow us on Instagram, on YouTube, and join our Facebook group if you haven't already joined. Thank you. Have a good day.